Got an exam coming up? Bit worried? Not got a plan? Well, be proactive and come along to our Student Hub Live workshop and we'll help you make one so that you have the best chance to perform well on the day. Just like athletes prepare for races, we can prepare for exams, and mindset, time management and having an effective strategy all play their part in minimising stress and maximising focus and performance. Our hour-long workshops are structured and they start promptly, and the online room is open 15 minutes beforehand, which is when we recommend you join. You don't need to prepare anything in advance, and there are a range of activities that you'll be given in the session which you can do on your own or in small groups. These sessions are a great way to meet other OU students, ask questions and carve out a space in your own study for this important skill. You can reserve your place by registering for a free ticket at the session, but places are limited, which is why you need a ticket, and so I'd recommend getting yours soon to avoid disappointment. You'll gain the most by attending, but if you can't make it, you can watch the talk part of the session on catch-up, as well as the other workshops that we've run in the past. I hope you can join us.